Hey guys, welcome to this interesting session of .NET Core Web API. Today we are going to see how to implement Dapper class inside our .NET Core Web API application. Guys, before starting the session, if you are new to my channel and if you want to like more .NET related courses, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for future notification. So for today's session we are going to use Dapper. So if you go to learn Dapper, so Dapper is a simple object making tool. It is designed primarily to use scenario where you want to work data strongly type fashion. Okay. As business object application, you don't want to spend hour writing code to map the query result. Okay. So what I did actually, so we are going to use this NuGet package Dapper. So I already created a web API application. I am using a ADO.NET connection to fetch this data. Okay. And binding to a supported model using DTO, data transfer object, and running it. So if I am running, I am getting this get products API like this. But there are so many lines of code I need to write. In my previous session of AutoMapper also, if you missed that session, I will give the link on I button. You can check it out. There also I show how to remove your extra lines. In a single line, you can do everything. So for this, we are going to use Dapper also, but Dapper we can bind to SQL Server directly. So for this, let's install this package. So it's got installed. No need to do anything. I need to copy this API. So modify the API name. Here I will return IXN result. Then I no need of anything here. Okay, how we can do? Let's say equal to connection dot query. Oh, for that I need to add using Dapper. At the time I can return connection dot query. Here my query will be this one. So here return so you can see this much of line we can convert into very only 3 lines. So let's run the application. Then we will understand Dapper much more. AutoMapper, Dapper, these are some interesting things. So click on get. Let's execute this new API. So you can see we are getting directly straightforward. By using AutoMapper also we can convert this data now. Right? Okay. So if you go to the website Learn Dapper, what it is saying is map query object. We are using ORM, Dapper ORM. It's cache the result. It support lazy loading, and also we can run multiple queries. Execute non-query command. So you can see if you go to execute non-query command, connection.execute SQL. Straightforward. I want to save something, connection.execute SQL, I can insert. So non connection open, connection close, no need to insert update this, no need to write on this. Executing store procedure, if you come, so you can see the line of command is very easy. Your application will get lightweight. To understanding to modifying the code also will get lightweight. So in this way we can implement Dapper class. Guys, please don't skip my video advertisement in the videos. It's getting encouraging. So please don't skip. And if you like my video, give me a likes and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.